Are you a new gardener and do not know where to start? Or do you have no space for gardening? Try this way. Grow these beautiful ornamental plants very easily, very fast. So this video is for beginner gardeners and those who not know how to start and where to start gardening. So watch until the end because I will be narrating you with some of the best top plants which can easily propagated and grow faster. If you are a beginner gardener, these 5 plants will make you so happy because these plants are easy to. When it comes to easy propagation by cuttings, money pothos are our favorite plants which you can grow many out of single plant. So these are some stems growing in water. And they are also cuttings. You can easily grow them in water. Take a glass jar of fresh water, put the cutting into it. Now this is a marble queen pothos cutting and you can simply grow them. Once the rooting started well, you can put them in soil or even you can keep it as it is as an indoor plant. Syngonium is another plant which you can grow by cuttings easily. Ground them also or grow in pots. So Syngonium also another wonderful plant which you can keep indoors, and also it's an ornamental plant, indoor plant, and also stem cuttings will be easy growing in water so that you can propagate, and after that you can transfer them to any pot you like. So these are the ornamental plants, indoor plants, and most of them are air purifiers. So you can grow them very easily. As a beginner gardener, you can start beautiful gardening indoors as well. Spider plants are also another wonderful ornamental plants which you can easily propagate and one of the beginner gardeners plants because they grow in no time, very easy to propagate in water. So what you have to do, take a spider baby from the mother plant. You can remove and cut from here. So put it in water and grow them very easily. Within no time they will grow. So put the spiderette or the baby spider plant in fresh water and keep it near a window for better results. That is how you propagate spider plant easily in water, and this is best for a beginner gardener. Lucky bamboo is another plant. Even with one stem you can grow them really very fast in water also. So take a stem out of the lucky bamboo and see that it is mature enough. This is one of the plants that a beginner gardener can easily grow. These are some cuttings of bamboo plant in a mug. So likewise you can grow them very easily. First you can propagate them in water and after that transfer to pots or mugs or whatever the container you like. This is another plant which a beginner gardener can easily grow. These plants also grow in no time. They grow in the semi-shade and also one of the ornamental plants. So by dividing these plants after some time you can grow many out of them. So the snake plants also one of wonderful plants to grow as a beginner gardener. These also you can either by dividing the mother plant you can grow many, and also you can multiply them by propagating them in water. So stem cuttings of a leaf putting in water will be enough for you to grow them easily. Keep these ornamental plants always in a semi-shade area for their fast growth and protection of the plant. And snake plants also can be propagated in water very easily. So put it in fresh water and keep it, and you will get the results within no time. Last but not the least, jade plant. When it comes to propagation, easy gardening for those who are beginners, this plant will give you immense happiness because you can grow them even with a small stem with 2 leaves. You can grow them easily. Do not overwater. And caring for these plants, I have done videos. You can check them also. So beginner gardeners, this is one plant for you which brings a lot of good vibes. So have these all plants in your indoor garden, such beautiful ornamental plants. So adding these all ornamental plants will give you a lot of green around your home. Growing plants is such a passion, and it is such a good hobby to improve, and you will see those little plants that you grow will give you a lot of happiness. So happy gardening, my friends. Do like, share and subscribe. Keep on gardening, because this not only purifies your air but also give you a lot of happiness. So happy gardening. See you soon.